Hello, my friends. It's time for your daily drill today. Let's take a look at the first question. You've seen this before, just in a different form. Advertising is a tool and technique used in. You got 10 seconds. Three, two, one. Advertising is a tool and technique of one place and one place only. It's known as conduct procurements. Of course, you already knew that. Conduct procurements is where you advertise the RFB, the RFP, the RFI, whatever the bid document you're using is, this is where you advertise it. Let's go on to our next question. It's a multiple choice question, and it reads, your sponsor is responsible to create the what? Is it assumption log? Is it change log? Is it stakeholder register? Is it business case? 10 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Well, you can see on the screen, the answer is none other than the business case. That is what your sponsor is responsible to create. The other documents on the screen, you create them. Quick reminder, we have training coming up on the 20th of June. You want to go on down to pmsucceed.com. We've got 6 months of access to over 90 hours of video and audio content, coupled with 6 weeks of intense coaching and training every Saturday, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern. Don't miss it. Go on down to pmsucceed.com. All righty, here is your next one. Agile release planning is a tool and technique used in which process? Think about it. The name gives it away. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, and 1. All right. So obviously the answer to this is in chapter 6. It's develop schedule. If you haven't looked at the breakdown for Agile release planning and how the work is broken down from releases to iterations to the backlog to user stories to tasks, all that stuff, if you haven't gotten that down pat, you should. Let's take a look at our next one. Authorization process for the project is in progress. Which input should you use for this process? This is an easy one. 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Boom, you already see the answer is agreements. Agreement is an input to develop project charter. Here's your next question, and it's about bidder conferences. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. You got this. This is easy, my friends. 10 seconds. You know why I'm saying it's easy? There's only one process where you use this. 3, 2, 1. And of course, the answer again, for the second time today, where this is used as a tool and technique, is none other than conduct procurements. Let's go to our next question. Authorization process for the project has just been completed. What should you do next on the project? Project management plan, risk register, risk log, or project charter? 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. The answer to this question, my friends, is none other than what you would do after initiating, because there's nothing else in initiating in the list. What would you do after initiating? You would plan. So the project management plan is what you would work on next. Now, don't be swayed or moved by the language. The language may not be entirely framed properly and framed as you would like to see it, but what it's really asking you is, what would you do next? Would you create this, 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 or this? Since the project charter has already been completed, D is out of the question. The risk log is a bogus term for risk register, and you wouldn't choose either of those. You would choose project management plan. All right. Quick reminder again, 20th of June. You want to be part of this, go on down to pmsucceed.com and let's see you. Here is your final tool and technique question. Change control tools is a tool and technique used in which process? 5 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. The answer to this, my friends, is perform integrated change control. That is where change control tools are used as a tool and technique. Remember, these change control tools can be manual, they could be automated, but they're really meant to help the team, the change control board, to manage these change requests and their review. The stakeholder cube was used to compile the following: attitude, interest, and what? Do you know? 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right. The answer to this one is none other than power. We talked about this on a previous day, but the 3 dimensions: power, interest, and attitude. All right. Well, it seems like we got one more. Claims administration is a tool and technique used in what? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Claims administration is a tool and technique used in control procurement. You got to remember ADR, alternative dispute resolution, remember mediation and arbitration, and how those two are different and how together they are very different from litigation. I believe this is our final question. The Salience model was used to compile the following: power, urgency, and is it laissez-faire? Is it attitude? Is it legitimacy? Is it legality? Ten more seconds. 3, 2, and of course, the telltale screen has shown you the answer is legitimacy. Power, urgency, and legitimacy are the components. So if you've enjoyed this session, or if you've got any questions, or you want to sign up for the training, you know exactly what to do. Like I said, head on down to pmsucceed.com and sign up right away. This deal is a real absolute steal, because training like this is hard to find with a seasoned instructor who's been to the brink of the PMP exam land so many times, taken people there, never gone in with them, but taking them there and help them get out alive, help them escape. So you want someone who's been there, done that. I got certified back in 05. So I got certified eons ago, but since I got certified, I've been helping people all around the world defeat this beast. All right. If you want to be part of my next class, that's the website, pmsucceed.com. We want you to succeed and win big. Thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.